Okay guys, I've got some good news and I've got some bad news. So which do you want first? Well, I tell you what, let's start with the bad news because that's normally what people do in these circumstances. And so it is with very, very deep regret that I have to inform you that this YouTube channel that you are watching right now is going to be eradicated from the face of the earth. No further existence of it is going to be in place after the end of this week. That's it. It's going to be razed to the ground like one of those ancient cities that's disappeared entirely from history that nobody remembers anymore. This YouTube channel is not even going to be a remnant of history. It's not even going to be a speck of dust on the on the eye of a needle. It's going to be nothing. It's going to go into infinity. It's going to disappear. It's going to become a black hole of nothingness. So I'm really, really sorry to have to break that to you and to break that news to you in this manner. But there's some good news. The good news is that I'm starting a brand new YouTube channel. In fact, it's already started. It's already up and running. The first video is up already. People are subscribing to it now. So what I want to say to you is, go to that new YouTube channel and subscribe. Now you might be saying to me, well, Troy, why have you started a new YouTube channel? What's the thinking here? There's a couple of things. There's a technical issue with this particular channel that I'm on now, which I wasn't able to resolve. And the other thing is as well, the content on the new channel is going to be different. We're taking a step up with the video content. And principally, at first, what that means is there's going to be more live infield footage of me actually walking the walk rather than just talking the talk, going and talking to girls, going and meeting new people, doing some crazy stuff out in the streets, just to demonstrate what can be done. And so, given that there's this kind of sea-changing content, I just really felt like, you know, now's the time to close this particular channel down, as good as it's been for me, and as great as the practice has been for me in terms of talking to camera and everything, and to go somewhere else where I can start completely afresh, which is what I've done. So there's new channel art, there's new channel blurb, you know, I fixed all the tags and all that kind of stuff behind the back scenes. So, but you don't need to know about that. What you need to do is, I'll put the link in the description for this video. I want you to go to the new YouTube channel, and I want you to hit the subscribe button, and I want you to hit the notifications bell as well, so that every time I deliver a new video, you are going to be the first to know about it, because I'm really excited about the stuff that we've got coming up here. I'm working with a new team. I've got a camera guy to help me to film my infield camera stuff. I've got a whole series of tutorial videos coming up to teach you exactly the techniques that I'm using, exactly how you can replicate those for yourself in order to achieve an authentic dating life based on, you know, what you actually want rather than what society deems is appropriate for you, or, you know, being stuck with having no decision-making autonomy and just having to accept what you get, if you like. So it's really exciting stuff. The new channel is going to be bloody awesome. It's already bloody awesome. The trailer is up now. People are loving it. It shows me running around in London doing some crazy stuff. You're going to love it as well. I'm looking to upload between 3 and 4 times a week, different content. It may be more than that. In the initial stages, we're going to be uploading, you know, maybe a little bit more than that, just to get the ball rolling. Head over there. You're going to love it. I thank you for your support on this channel. As I say, the great thing about this channel is it's really helped me to sort of get used to speaking to camera, get used to uploading and everything else. But the time has come, my friends, to move on. The time has come to go into pastures new, to explore new vistas, to explore new worlds, and that is precisely what we're going to be doing on the new YouTube channel. So head over there now, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications button, and join me on the most exciting journey in your dating life that you are ever going to take. Hallelujah. Goodbye.